Hello, mathematicians. Yesterday we looked at the show all totals method, and I was really impressed with what I saw. Looks like many of you understood it, so congratulations. Today we're going to look at some other methods, looking at the new groups below and reviewing the new groups above method. We will continue our work with all of these methods as we practice our addition for multi-digit numbers. Today I really want to focus on how you use a proof drawing to check your work. And then we'll review the new groups above, and I'll talk a little bit about the new groups below, which is the same as new groups above. It's just you carry your group below the place value instead of above. So very simple. So looking at some examples, how do we do a proof drawing? Well, yesterday's problem was 249 plus 386, and I had you think about money. If you had $249 in the bank and then you got 386, maybe you earned it from doing odd jobs, how much would you have total? And we came up with 635. Now we did that by doing the show all totals. We knew that 200s plus 300s was 500s, and 40 plus 80, 4 tens plus 8 tens was 120, and 9 ones and 6 ones would be 15. Then we added those up, got 5 in our ones place, 3 in our tens, and 6 in our hundreds. Now looking at the new groups above, we did it the traditional way. Starting in the ones place, 9 plus 6 we knew was 15. Put the 5, made the new group, the new 10. In the tens place, added the 1 and the 4 to get 5. The 8 to the 5 and got 13, made the new group and put it above. The 1 plus the 2 plus the 3 equaled 6. So if I were doing that with the new groups below, I would do the same thing I do with the new groups above, except just bring that new group below. Watch carefully. Start in the ones place. 9 plus 6 is 15. Put the 5 here. Put the 1 in the tens place, but just put it below the 8. 4 plus 8 plus that 1 would equal 13. Put the 3, bring the 1 to the new place value in the hundreds place, and carry it below. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus that 1 equals 6. You still get the same answer no matter which method you choose. Now, I want to check and make sure that's right. So what they're showing you here is you draw place value drawing for each number and then get your totals. So for 249, you can see 2 hundreds were drawn here, 1, 2, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what was drawn just for 249. Then they added 386. So then they drew 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and then the 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you've drawn all the hundreds, tens, and ones, then you make your groups. I start in the ones place, just like I would with the new groups above or the new groups below method. Counting your ones, you want to see if you have enough to make a 10, a new 10. So that's what they do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see how they made the new group of 10. And then you would add that 10 to the tens. So they've done that. Then you add, where did they add it though? So I would add it here. Cross that out, and you have another 10. Now adding your tens, see if you have enough to make a new 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. You sure do. And then you would add another 100. So now to see if you get the same answers you did with these methods, I would have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600s. Now, I've crossed out these tens because I made that into a new 100. I'd have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, right? So now I have 630, and I would have made a new group with these. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 635. So the proof drawing helps me check my method to see if I was right. And yes, we were right. So let's look at today, and if you want to practice the show all totals method, you can, because we've done so much work with the addition above method. We've not done the below as much, so make sure you're practicing all of them. Let's try number 3. Ryan has 2 stamp albums. Oops, actually, I think I want to save that one for you. Let's not look at that one, because you're going to do that one on your Google slide. I apologize. Let's look at number 5. Number 5 says the video store has 445 comedy videos and 615 drama videos. How many comedy and drama videos does the store have all together? Boy, they make it nice with those keywords. I know I'm going to be adding. So whatever method you want to try, I'm going to demonstrate the new groups below method, since we didn't do that yesterday. 445 plus 615. Remember, you start in the ones place. So I'd start with 5 plus 5. That equals 10. I'd put the 0. And I'm going to make my new group below in the tens, just like I would the other method, except it's below instead of above. Now I start in the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And then I go to my hundreds. 6 plus 4 is 10. Don't forget your comma for your thousands. Now, today I want us to focus on proof drawings to show that our answers are correct. So you can do this along with me in your workbook. It's page 230. And we're going to draw 445, then we'll draw 615. So if I'm drawing 445, I would draw 100, 200s, 300s, 400s. Sticks are my tens, so 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks for 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my ones. That's my first number, 445. It represents how many videos the comedy store have the video store had that were comedy videos. Now I want to see how many drama videos. We had 615. I see it right here. So now I need to draw 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600s, 1 10, so a stick for the 10, and 5 ones. Now I want to add those together and see if I get the right answer, 1060. I'm going to start with my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that I can make those 10 ones a new 10. So now I'm actually going to have 0 ones. Now I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't make a new group of tens because I need at least 10 of them to make 100. So now I have 6 tens. And then I'm going to count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So I have 0 hundreds now, and I have 1,000. So my proof drawing matches my answer from my method of new groups below, 1060. 1060. Okay, let's try another one. Allie has 128 photos of her pets and 255 photos of her family. How many photos does Allie have all together? Great keywords. First thing I want you to do is stack it. Make sure you're lining up your numbers so that the digits are in the right place value. If you don't line them up correctly, you're going to get an incorrect answer. So I'm going to use that same method of new groups below, just because it's different. I want you to have another tool in your toolbox. Start with the ones place, 8 plus 5, 8. In my head, 5 more, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put the 3, make the new group below in the tens. Then I have 2 plus 5 plus 1. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 1 more makes 8. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So I think the answer is 383. But I'm going to do a proof drawing to make sure. So first I'm going to draw 128. 100, 2 tens, and then I have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to add to that 255. Now I have 100, 200s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Now to check my work. Starting with my ones, I'm going to see if I can make a new group of 10. I need 10 ones to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sure can. So I'm going to take these ones, cross them out, and make a new 10. Now I say I have 3 ones left. 3 ones. Now I'm going to move over to my 10, see if I can make a new 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't do it because I only have 8 tens. I need 10 tens to make a new 100. Now I'm going to count my hundreds to see if I can make 1,000. 1, 2, 3. I can't make any thousands, but I still have 3 hundreds. So my proof drawing shows 383. 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones. And that's exactly what I got when I used the new groups below method. Therefore, I know my work is correct. You want this answer to match this answer to match this answer. It's a great strategy to help you. I realize you can't draw the place value drawings or proof drawings on the Google Slides. So use your workbook, your math workbook, or scrap paper to do that. Be sure to underline your important information. Try out the new method of the new groups below. You have this in your workbook on page 229. I think it'll be fun, and I would love for you to try the proof drawings to check your work. Okay, good luck, mathematicians.